Well, we had a bit of an adventure this weekend. Truck decided to break down. Starter shit the bed. Couldn't start the truck. Fuse kept blowing. But the truck and the trailer have now made it home. The truck is running again, but the starter solenoid's no good, so it keeps blowing the fuse for the ECM. But it does run, and I can drive it a little bit. But this thing, I ended up having to abandon it out in the desert. My truck had to get towed home. Cost me $600-700 to get this thing home. I was 40 miles out into the desert when it broke down. So I sat for 12 hours or so in the desert waiting for a tow truck, who eventually showed up at like 8 o'clock at night. And yeah, I abandoned the trailer out there because the tow driver was refusing to take the trailer. And I was very upset about that, but we got the truck home. I got wifey home, got the fur babies home and everything. And I put some posts out on Facebook asking if anybody could help me out and get this trailer. I had pretty much zero hopes of getting this thing back in one piece because people are sucky. But thanks to a dude named Tyler, who went way out of his way and so far only charged me $200. He drove way out of his way from East Mesa, 40 miles out into the forest along Cave Creek Road towards Sheep's Bridge, got my trailer, and then drove it all the way back to me here in Phoenix. I don't know why he did it, but I am very thankful that he did it. Unfortunately, my toolbox, storage box, that used to be right there, is sadly no longer there because people suck. But overall, the trailer came back in one piece. And this little monster right here is beyond excited that it's been back because he loves this trailer. And he's literally been hanging out in it all day since we got it back. We've got a little bit of rebuilding to do because the bed got trashed in the process of dragging it back. But that's easy to fix. Thankfully, my tires weren't slashed. I was really worried about the tires being slashed and my windows being broken out. But truck and trailer are home. Everything's happy. And I'm just beyond ecstatic that anybody has been willing to help me through this whole thing. I appreciate my wifey for being cool and calm and semi-collected and not losing her shit during this whole thing. But yeah, it's been a fun adventure. I don't have many pics or any video of it, but I'll post up what I can. So yeah, thank you to everybody that helped out to help me get this truck and this trailer home. And I'll be posting this up soon.